Where I'm headed, Capulin Volcano. We're going to go to the top of that thing right there on top of the rim, the crater rim. We'll go zips and hike down into the crater. All right. Yeah, I'd say that's about another about 4 miles. We're getting a little closer to Capulin Volcano. I'm getting a little closer, fortunately. And let me get my finger in this. Okay, there it is. That's northwest, going further north. And if you see that line of formation, there's a fence right there. That's a little barrier for the cows and wildlife to get behind to keep the north wind off of them. But yeah, coming off the volcano and all down, that's lava flow. See that black rock all through there, and then it ends, comes to an end. Well, I'm sorry, I apologize for not having my tripod. Okay, see where it comes to an end there? The lava flow. I'm zoomed as far as I can go. That's probably about 12 miles, 15 miles. Let's see. The end of the lava flow out there, coming down from the volcano. And we'll find out how long ago that was when it last erupted. I believe it was 50 or 60,000 years ago. Beautiful. That's where I'm headed. Right up there on the crater rim, where it looks like a little smiling face on top, and then I'm going to go down in the crater. Yeah, that's the plan for today. Some volcanology. Find out about all the science up there and along the field. I sure wish I had my tripod, but maybe I can get one at Walmart in Trinidad. I'm going to do this hike up the volcano before I get to Fisher's Peak. And I'm getting close. You can see on the ground the volcanic rock. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Can't really move it. It's part of the earth. You're not supposed to move it, but I'm pulling with all my might. It's just part of the ground. The basalt. Oh, I can't wait to get there. That's going to be wonderful. A little bit of snow back there. Coming back down, I think I'll sleep back here tonight. Look how nice that is. Cover up in my wool blanket. Head out in the morning, real early, and head towards Fisher Peak in Trinidad. Here's looking to the northwest. That's Capulin Volcano. I'm looking due north and northeast. Northeast. Those are trees there. It's a tree line. Okay. Look at this. basalt. What a beautiful rock. Just sitting out here in the middle of the volcano field. It's movable. Got some crystallite on it. Snow. Oh, that's snow-covered basalt.